take it slow.
What's going on today, YouTube?
Modern Maz here.
Exactly, and we are back with another AutoZone upgrade. And today we will be doing custom carbon fiber molding right here. 21 bucks. Very easy to apply. I'm actually using it on the Chrysler today. We are going to be covering up a couple of little scrapes and chips in my paint and, you know, making it look brand new again. So we're going to be going over how to lay it and show you a little bit of what we've already done because we wanted to practice beforehand so it wouldn't look silly on the camera. But you got anything to say?
Let's get it going.
All right, guys, you heard them. Let's get it going. And you know what you're going to do. This is the stuff, 3/4 inch wide, 12 feet long. I actually had to buy 2 packs to do both of my wheels, but this is the second pack here. So we're gonna open this up and then I'll show you what it looks like and how to lay it down. Here it is. Once you get it open, it's a 12-foot spool of all this carbon fiber wrap with 3M backing. And I was surprised to see how it actually worked. And it actually lays and molds like really good. Contour is perfect with the curve around. And I actually am gonna be slicing a little bit here to kind of make it form in there around the wheel well, so I'll show you that. But I'm actually gonna get this cut now, and I'm going to lay the little piece down here, and I'll show you how it lays down and what to do from there. All right, guys, so I went ahead and I snipped here, and as you can see, the reason I snipped there was I just traced it, just so it would line up and bead like perfectly across that. So it was just a quick cut, and there it is. So how you lay it now, depending on how long you're going and if it's curves or not, what I'm doing is I'm peeling a little bit off here, like so. Just get that little bit of tape. I just begin and pull as I go. So lay it where you want it. And this stuff really sticks. So just lay it where you want it. And just run I like to run my finger along the bottom. But as I'm laying, I just pull away. Make sure your area is nice and dry, and you're good. Lay it all the way down to the bottom down there. I like to cut it right there, and it's good to go. It's even a rainy day outside and we laid them down and they're sticking. I actually took it for a little spin. They sticked, they stayed. $21, and it absolutely did exactly what I needed it to do. So if you've seen on that back wheel there was a little bit of corrosion and stuff. Well, not corrosion, but chipping from the wheel. I mean, look at that now. Completely covered. Covered everything I needed it to do. It looks good. The carbon fiber looks great. And we even went ahead and had a little bit left over. Ran a bead along the front and the back, so not super noticeable, not super extra or anything like that, but I mean, it's just exactly what I wanted. I didn't want it super flashy. I didn't want to take away the look from my car or from my wheels or anything like that, but I just wanted to mask up that little bit of chippage there, and I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. The laydown was super easy. Recommend it for anybody who's trying to do anything on any car. It contours so good and so smooth with the curve. It doesn't bend. It doesn't. I mean, I can only explain it like that. It's just so easy the way it lays down. I did these wheels in probably about 30 minutes or so, 20 minutes, and that's with all the other stuff I had to do, moving around and everything like that. So it really is a simple job and a great product to pick up. So highly recommend this one. You know, enjoy the video, guys. Like, comment, let us know what you thought. Let us know what car it's going on if you're going to do this for your car. And just let us know if you need some help with anything. We're here to help. So until then, guys, see you.